Hi friends, myself Dr. Urmila Rawat, librarian Gujarat Commerce College. My YouTube ચેનલમાં આપનું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત કરું છું. I am going to discuss on information literacy. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share to your friends as well as students. So, let's start with our today's topic. Literate versus illiterate. Alvin Toffler has given beautiful definition about literacy. The illiterate of the 21st century will not be those who cannot read and write, but those who cannot learn, unlearn and relearn. The paradigm shift from the industrial age to information age and the information age to creativity age. Due to this shifting age, we have faced various cultural, educational, political as well as technological reforms like rapid increase in the stream of information due to information revolution, advent of ICT, vast variety of information sources, wide dispersal of information, increase in number of users, and research on complex and interdisciplinary topics. So, why there is an increasing interest in information literacy? So, let's discuss new learning approaches and new focus on students learning in a lifelong learning context. Second one is expanding quantity like information overload. In these various terms like in different forms, places, E concept in everything, everywhere, uncertain quality and plagiarism. So, the problem, information problem is overload. Like the amount of new information stored on paper, film, magnetic and optical media doubled in 3 years. Then second one is more new information has been produced in the last 30 years than in the previous 5000 years. So, according to IDC Digital University study, if the digital universe were represented by the memory in a stack of tables in 2013, it would have stretched two-thirds the way to the moon. Then, by 2020, there would be 6.6 stacks from the earth to the moon. So, need for information literacy. First one is fail to evaluate information sources of their relevant project. Second one is lack of ability to synthesize information. Third one, find the ideas of others more fascinating than others. Then engage in plagiarism by cut and paste. So, the importance of information literacy is equip lifelong learning skills, includes critical reflection of information. Then third one is emphasize the global nature of information, allow how to use relevant information and extend beyond just knowing how to use comparatively. So, solution is knowing what is information literacy. So, our today's topic is information literacy. So, let us discuss definition. The American Library Association defines information literacy as a set of abilities requiring individual to recognize when information is needed and have the ability to locate, evaluate, and use effectively the needed information. So, what is information literacy? First one, recognize the needed information. Identify what information is needed. Find that information. Then evaluate information critically for relevance and credibility. Use information to solve a problem or answer a question. Use information legally and ethically. So, this is information literacy umbrella. It shows critical thinking skills like computer literacy, library literacy, media literacy, network literacy, and visual literacy. So, information literate person is able to recognize the need for information, to identify source of information, develop successful search strategy, access source of information, evaluates information and sources, organizes information, process information, and uses and present the information. So, thanks a lot, my dear friends. If you like my video, please like, subscribe